Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is approach. It's a B2 level verb that means to come closer to something. Let's dive in and learn how to use it in everyday English. When we talk about approach, we're describing the action of moving closer to something or someone, either physically or metaphorically. For example, as I approached the building, I noticed its beautiful architecture. This word can also be used in non-physical ways, like solving a problem or dealing with a situation. For instance, we need to approach this issue with a fresh perspective. Now, let's look at some synonyms of approach. Words like advance, near, and reach have similar meanings. For example, the train is nearing the station, or she decided to advance toward the stage to get a better view. These words can often be swapped with approach depending on the context. On the flip side, let's talk about some antonyms of approach. Words like retreat, withdraw, and recede show the opposite idea. For instance, as the storm grew stronger, they decided to retreat to safety, or the shoreline began to recede as the tide went out. So, how can we use approach in everyday life? Imagine you're at a cafe and your friend is running late. You might say, "I saw her approaching from across the street, carrying a big bag." Or, in a work context, you could say, "Let's approach this project step by step to ensure we cover everything." Here are some more examples to solidify your understanding. The child hesitated before approaching the stray dog. Winter is approaching, so it's time to get those cozy sweaters out. I admire how she approaches challenges with such determination and confidence. To wrap up, today we explored the word approach, its meaning, synonyms like advance, near, and reach, as well as antonyms such as retreat, withdraw, and recede. I hope you feel more confident using this word in your conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others find the show. I'd love to hear how you would use approach in a sentence, so share your examples in the comments. I'll be back soon with another exciting word to explore. Until then, keep learning and practicing. Bye for now.